grade twos, how are you? It's Miss Sharon on the YouTube channel. Oh my god, the teacher's coming.
Hello, grade twos. So, today we're going to learn about making poems. Miss Sharon and Miss Joan. Alright, so you want to learn how to write a poem? Let's get started. Let's say you want to talk about the sea, or the wind, or the waterfall, or the sand. We need to use words that describe. Let's try describe Miss Sharon. Miss Sharon is tall or short? Short. Miss Sharon is beautiful or very beautiful? Me too, very beautiful. Miss Sharon is happy or sad? Miss Sharon is sad. Alright? So that is how you're going to be describing different things. Only for your poems, you're not describing Miss Sharon. You're describing the sea, the wind, the waterfall, or the sun. To do that, it might be a little bit tricky. So you can go on Google and try to find some words that describe the sea, the wind, the waterfall, or the sun. Alright? So you want to use some similes. Remember, let's try to describe the sea. The sea looks calm. So we can say the sea is as calm as, as calm as Miss Joan, because Miss Joan is calm. Alright, so you find something nice. Maybe as calm as the music, jazz music, or as calm as something else. The wind. Look at the wind here. Perhaps you could say the wind is as quick as a train. Alright? So, the waterfall. Let's describe the waterfall. What is the waterfall? The waterfall is as loud as a lion. Because when the water is falling down, it goes as loud as a lion. The sun, as bright as the lights. So you're going to write different poems. You can choose one of these. But I want us to look at something else. Alright? Let's look at rhyming words. To write a good poem, you might need some rhymes. So let's try, what do we mean by rhyme? A rhyme is a word that has got the same sound as another word. For example, cat, mat, sat, bat, they all sound the same. So I put a little tiny trick for you here. You put out your alphabet and you can try, let's say if I write sat. Uh-oh, Miss Jo doesn't remember how to write. She's forgotten how to write. Sat. I want to find a word that rhymes with sat. If I put at, is that a word? No. But, that's a word. So it's easy for me to find rhyming words when I put out an alphabet there and I change the first word with any letter here. Alright, so that's all about rhymes for now. For you to make some rhymes in the poem, find one word, use your alphabet, change the beginning, and see how you get on with it. Remember, you might also use Google to help you. Personification. We know that the sea is not a person, but when you're using personification in a poem, you are describing things like they are a human being. Remember when I said the waterfall rose? Does the waterfall have a mouth? No, it doesn't. I could say the waterfall screams. Does water scream? No, it doesn't. But we know people do. So that means that I am personifying. I'm giving it a sound. I'm giving it something that a human being would do, but it doesn't do. All right, outline. When you're writing your poem, make sure that if you want, you can use the outline like the way I taught you before. If you're talking about the waterfall, you can use some words that make a shape like a waterfall. The sun, you can make your words look like it's a pattern of a sun. And repetition to emphasize the point that you're sharing in that poem. Do you remember when Miss Joan kept on saying, I'm hungry, hungry, hungry? I was emphasizing that I'm hungry. Or Miss Sharon is happy.